That's a green screen.
Hello.
Hi, Lolly.
My old friend, green screen.
Like a big snooker table.
Is it?
Is that the...
Oh, brilliant.
Choreograph a dance for you and Alex to perform to any of the following ringtones.
Apex, by the seaside.
Night Owl, Playtime, Radiate, Censure.
Circuit, Crystals.
Uplift, Marimba, Strum.
Xylophone.
You have 30 minutes to prepare. Most stylish dance wins. Your time starts now.
Yeah. Let's have a listen.
Let's go.
I like this. It's cheeky, isn't it? Like baby dinosaurs.
We're really going to hate the song by the end.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's more like it.
Very Mel.
96.
104.
Why'd you get on the table, mate?
Mind your own business.
That was 1996 for you.
Oh,
man.
awesome.
Banging.
Barely remember it. It's all the old whistles, bandanas,
Yeah.
trance just came in.
The whistle. I thought I'd blow the whistle, bring it all back. No.
Sorry.
Is it like that?
Oh, yes, sorry. I thought you were just stopping me talking.
No, you mentioned...
What did you mention whistle? If only we'd known it was that easy for you.
Do you want to see a raving? We can start with the...
Yeah, let's see a raving.
There is an unfortunate amount of my flesh in this one. Near the end. So
is this our dance?
Yes? What did you...
What do you think it was?
Yeah, it wasn't the other thing we did. So this is Mel's dance.
Is this censure?
Yes.
This is what censure is. What we were looking for, I think Alex will agree with me, is the beauty of censure,
yes,
contrasting the gritty urban landscape of mid-90s pre-rave Britain.
Oh, yeah?
The only problem was it wasn't censure, it was radiate. But apart from that...
Was it?
Yeah. You read the CD wrong, but it was... Yeah.
There were two back alleys in that video.
Do you want to have a look at Alex's back alley?
I like to imagine that in his back alley there's a tiny Mel and Alex dancing.
We're going to listen to some censure now. Very nice, wasn't it?
Easily done, isn't it?
Yeah. Noel Fielding chose censure, and this is his dance.
Talk us through it.
I wanted to capture the cheekiness of the music, hence the little shrew move.
Oh, it was a shrew.
It was more of a stoat when Alex did it, but
my
that's
best,
OK.
did my best.
I'm not sure why we were in Covent Garden. So... I don't remember requesting that. I'd like to be a little shrew in Covent Garden.
And just like that, it's the end of part 2. See you shortly. Hello, and thanks for returning to Taskmaster. Before the break, 5 comedians were choreographing dances to ringtones. Who's up next, Alex?
2 of them picked the same ringtone, so we've edited their dances together and their names. They are Joe Adefope and Lolly Lycett. Ready?
Alex! It's okay though, because friendship is truth and I believe in you all the way.
Really moving narrative in yours, I thought. When you made that little mistake, I thought that was a genuine mistake, but it was part of your choreography.
And then I said friendship is truth and I believe in you all the way.
OK. What do you mean friendship is truth?
Sort of friendship is truth is friendship.
Yeah.
Now I see. Joe, was there a message you were hoping to convey? It looked to me like it was a couple of guys bouncing around and then a plane flying down.
Yes, that's what it looks like. What I was trying to convey with it is that friendship is truth.
So that only leaves Hugh. Here's what happened.
We all have a laugh on this show, and it's supposed to be a light-hearted thing, but I also know that when you put an effort into something, especially putting yourself out there creatively, that one has to deal with it sensitively. However, on this occasion, horseshit. Well, I'll be... Smashing into last place. I stuck Joe in 4th place just because of the absolute nonsense that Lolly tried to spin about friendship being truth. I just felt like at least she'd made an effort. I cannot split the 2 works of art that I saw there. That's going to be a joint first. So it's a joint first.
Your call.
A second, third, fourth.
For more Taskmaster, subscribe now.